What do programmers think about when they're not programming? I can't speak for anybody else. I tend to make up programming type rules for things that are happening in the world around me. This video is me talking about programming a lane selection algorithm while I drive. This video is interesting because I shot it as a test video in my 2008 Beetle, which I later sold. So this will be the only video from that car. Here's what I've always wondered. Here's what my first vlog topic will be. What are the rules if you were going to program an algorithm to select lanes in a multi-lane highway? What would the rules be? And what I would want to do is have as few rules as possible describe the behavior that I want. I think about this all the time when I'm driving on a 3-lane or more highway. I'm on a 3-lane highway. I generally like to drive in the middle lane. If I drive on the right, I don't want to drive in the left lane because that's the fast lane and the passing lane. I try not to drive in the right lane because that's the lane that's interacting with the exits all the time and is the slow lane. But what's the smallest number of rules that you can articulate? And I would think that I would be able to do it with 2 rules, but I've never been able to do it satisfactorily to myself with less than 3. If there's 1 lane going in the direction you're driving, drive in that lane. If there's 2 lanes, you drive in the right lane. If there's 3 or more lanes, then drive in the lane, not in the right lane, but the one next to it. There's rules on top of that, which are that you generally, when you pass, you go to the left to go around them, and when you're going slow, you go to the right. But that's 3 rules. I think I just got it. Top priority rule is with 3 or more lanes, stay out of the rightmost lane. Second priority is drive as far to the right as possible. I think that works. Because with 1 lane, none of the rules matters and you only drive in 1 lane. For 2 lanes, the first rule doesn't apply, and the second rule means you drive in the right lane. For 3 or more lanes, the first rule applies and the second rule doesn't matter. I think that's it. I think I got it. I've been thinking about that for years, and I think I just got it. Thanks for watching that video. Here is a hint of some of my videos coming up. If you liked it, please click like and subscribe, and never stop figuring stuff out.